In this video, you'll see the complete factory process behind crunchy potato chips, from raw potatoes to perfectly packed snack bags.
We'll break down every industrial phase step by step, showing technology, precision, and speeds. Have you ever wondered how millions of identical, crispy potato chips are made every single day inside?
Stay till the end, because this process is faster, cleaner, and more advanced than you ever imagined. Potato chips start with simple farm-grown potatoes, but inside factories, advanced machines transform the full industrial journey of potato chips, phase by phase, from raw harvesting to sealed packaging. Factories receive fresh potatoes in bulk, where automated systems immediately move them toward inspection lines. Damaged or poor quality potatoes are removed to ensure only perfect raw materials enter the production process.
Optical sensors detect size, shape, and surface defects at incredible speeds. This automation guarantees consistency and reduces human error in large-scale production.
Quality control starts right here, setting the foundation for perfect chips later. Only the best potatoes continue to the next phase.
High-pressure water systems thoroughly wash potatoes, removing dirt, stones, and farm debris. This step ensures cleanliness before peeling begins.
Mechanical brushes gently clean each potato without damaging its surface. Clean raw materials improve taste, safety, and final texture.
Cleanliness is critical in food manufacturing. Now they're ready for peeling.
Steam peeling uses heat and pressure to loosen potato skins efficiently.
This method minimizes waste while keeping potato flesh intact. Some factories use abrasion peeling for additional surface refinement. The result is smooth, evenly peeled potatoes.
Perfect peeling ensures uniform slicing later. Next comes precision cutting.
Industrial slicers cut potatoes into ultra-thin, uniform slices in milliseconds. Uniform thickness ensures even frying and crunch.
Blade settings control chip thickness for different styles.
This precision defines texture and quality.
This step is all about accuracy. Now it's time for cooking.
Rinsing removes excess starch from potato slices.
This prevents chips from sticking together. Controlled rinsing improves final crispness. Proper starch control ensures perfect frying.
This step impacts texture directly. Now comes the most exciting part.
Slices are fried in temperature-controlled oil for precise timing. This creates the iconic crunch and color.
Automated sensors maintain consistent frying conditions. Perfect timing prevents burning or sogginess.
This is where flavor truly forms.
Next, taste is enhanced.
Freshly fried chips tumble inside seasoning drums.
Flavor powders coat each chip evenly.
Factories produce multiple flavors using precise dosing systems. Consistency ensures the same taste in every bag.
This is where personality is added. Now they cool down.
Cooling stabilizes texture before packaging.
This prevents moisture buildup.
Sensors monitor cooling levels continuously.
Chips are now packaging ready.
Cooling protects freshness. Final stage begins.
Machines weigh and fill chips with extreme accuracy.
Airtight sealing locks in freshness. Nitrogen gas preserves crunch and shelf life.
This protects chips during transport.
Packaging is both protection and branding. Almost ready for stores.
Finished products are stored in climate-controlled warehouses. Inventory systems track every batch. Chips are distributed worldwide daily. Speed ensures freshness reaches consumers.
And that's the full journey. From potato to crunch. If you enjoyed seeing how potato chips are made, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to USA Factory Hub for more amazing factory processes every week.